Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through how you can use your Samsung reward points. Now, let's jump right into the video. If you're not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, hit the post notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. Let's get into the video. So now, what are reward points to begin with? So reward points are points that you're collecting every time that you're using your Samsung wallet. So if you're a Samsung user, you might have this application there. In fact, you do have it, wallets, and over there you can pack your payment cards inside this way. Like you can see, there's several cards. Then anytime you want to use them, for instance, I'm on here, I can slide there and then that pops up. I select which one I want, give permission with my fingerprint, then I tap the on a payment surface and then I make the payment. Anytime I do this, I'm going to be collecting points. Now these points, you can see them here. I'm going to show you in a second. So when you're inside your wallet and you scroll all the way down, or you go all the way down, you're going to find your points here. So you can see here, we have 40 points here. Now, some people you might be an individual who has collected most of these points, but don't know how to use them. So if you check inside here, for instance, I've collected 25 points throughout. These are several points, but then there's a conversion rate of these ones that allow you to use them for purchases. And in today's video, I'm showing you how to use those. So to begin, you want to go inside Play Store, and then in the search box, you want to type Samsung Store. So Samsung Store, all right? And once you've typed that, you wait for it, it's going to open that way. You look inside for Samsung Store. So we have Samsung Store, official, and smart. So you tap on that and it opens. Once it opens, you tap on OK, and then you're inside the Samsung Store. Once you're in the Samsung Store, most important thing, you want to come in here and then select your account and then log in. When you log in, you have your account show up this way, just like mine has been. And you're going to see your points written here. And if you have any vouchers, it's also going to show that. Okay, so in this case, you can see I have just 40 points. This is because recently I placed an order and I used those points. But I'm going to show you how you can use your points. So let's go into the video. Let's assume that I want to buy these new buds. Okay, so I'm going to select these buds. And let me add it to cart. So I've added it to my cart. Now in my cart, I have this wall charger, I have this casing, and then I have this. All right. So I can proceed to hit to checkout. Now it's telling me that I have this. This is not part of the video, but if you have a coupon, you can. If you have a coupon or promotional code, you can use it from there. So this, I put all the details here, and maybe I have a location. I put the location inside, and then once that has been done, I have to tick all these boxes and then pick a delivery slot. Let's say this day is when I want it. Then put it inside that way. Then scroll down and show everything is there correctly, and I'm going to hit on continue. So once that has been done, when you have enough points, unlike in my case, you should find another option here. Okay, there should be another option among these options that is indicating that reward points. Then you're able to change your reward points into payment. You're going to tap on it and then use those reward points for payment. And once you're done with that, that amount is going to be taken out of the final amount and it's going to only indicate what you really are going to pay. And then you select the mode of payment that you want to use, having used that reward point. You get it? And that is how to actually use your reward points on Samsung. And even for making this payment, you get another reward point. Now, just to let you know that this is actually true, I'm going to show you a previous order that I made. So I'm going to come into my account, then I'm going to go into orders. And you can see here, this is an order that was made. Let's see if we can go into the order. So we're going to go into the order, and you're going to see here that is written that the total amount paid was 452 for two products. Okay, for these two products, I only paid that because I used points utilized. 6,478 points were utilized. Okay, and then you come also here, you can see 4,122 points were used. So that's how to use your points to make purchases on Samsung, and that's going to be it. Just a normal brick. This is Samsung brick. Um, has a bit of weight to it, and it's just a normal 25 watts low standby uh, adapter. It's quite heavy, and that's it. Let's go to the other thing that I bought, which is the Samsung Tab 2. If you learned a thing or two, let me know in the comment section. I'm very sorry I couldn't really show you in real time how you're using the points, but trust me, this is just an order that I made. This is just an order that I made yesterday, and the products came in. That's one of it. So I'll see you in the next video where I explain how this is used. All right? Peace out.